Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically the Black Suit 2.0 is finally here. Let's do the unboxing. Now I've seen this figure, the photos did fix few things on it, like the body and stuff, but it's still highly inaccurate. Let's do the unboxing first and we'll talk about it. I'm not gonna spend so much time showing you the accessories and everything because I think you have already seen those at this point. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna compare this with my red and blue modified version, so then you have a better idea how it can look after modification. Okay, so this is like a top view. Let's get the box out of the way. All right, so here it is. Right, let's take this box out. So there are two sections. This is like the figure and this is like accessories and the deluxe base. This is a special edition version, deluxe special edition. Okay, so let's put this aside and open this up. So first of all, you get like web effects which don't look too realistic to me because they are white color. They should be like transparent or something, but I guess they do the job. But let's see. Okay. Now this is the figure itself. Okay, the body proportions look pretty good. Okay, the body proportions, the suit quality is much better, okay, than the 1.0. The body proportions are much better. They are not perfect, okay. Some people think that the body is it's perfect, but the height is still too short. There is no definition on the shoulders and bicep. This area is there is no definition here. Okay, other than that it looks pretty good. But the mask, okay, this is 0 out of 10. The eyelines are not accurate, color on the eyelines are not accurate, the face shape is not accurate, the neck is not accurate, the movement on the neck is pretty limited. I don't know how to call this an upgrade from the prototype they showed, but the body itself is good. Okay, so let's put this aside. Okay, this head sculpt is pretty good. Okay, the likeness is just amazing. It looks like Tobey Maguire from every angle. So if you want to do like a kit bash with the Bully Maguire with like a suit or something, this is perfect. Okay, let's see. This is a mask. If you want him to hold the mask, I guess this does the job, but the eyelines, like I said, is not accurate, but I guess. And then this is the hands you get. Okay, I won't spend time to show you one by one, but let's move on very quickly here. Yeah, and this is, I guess, is the special edition accessory. It does look pretty good. Okay, it does look pretty good. That's all on this side. Now the base itself, let's open this up. I'm going through this very quickly because I don't want to spend too much showing you the accessory. There are already reviews. What I want to show you is this figure compared to my previous custom figures, because as you know, I modify the figures. Currently I'm taking orders for batch 2 for the red and blue suit, so I want to compare my modified version with this. Okay, so let's get through this real quick and then we can move on to that section. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, so yeah, this is the base. Okay, it does look pretty good. Yeah, the details are also quite good. I heard some people say that the base is like this, so why is it rotated this way? Because it will be very hard for the figure to stand. We'll see about that. But for now it does look pretty good. This is like a standard type of detail from the Hot Toys, as you may know how they usually do their bases. It's like a dry brushing effect on top of it. It does look good, yes. Okay, this is like a crotch grabber, and you get a pole with this. Okay, and then this is like a tongue, and then yeah, this is the venom. Yeah, this is all of this is really good. These are like extra venom effects as well, if you want to use. Let's quickly try to switch heads. So this is how it looks with the Spider-Man head. Okay, it does look really good. I will say that this is better release than the red and blue suit because the body proportions are better. The suit is all fabric, so it'll be like posable. It won't damage the suit. And the head sculpt, the Toby head sculpt is also better than the red and blue version. Okay, so let's just switch the head. Okay, and then here we go. Yeah, this is much better option if you want to don't do any modifications on it and you want to display straight as it is. This is much better option. The Toby head is like 10 out of 10. There is no doubt about it. Yeah, I still think the legs look too short. Okay, in my personal opinion, they need to be longer even with the Toby head. But it's more apparent with the Spider-Man head when you see it. You see how big the head is and how short the legs look. Okay, so let's now compare this with my modified version. Okay, so this is the time for comparison. This is now 2.0 suit. Okay, 2.0 suit. Okay, the arms can go until here only. They don't touch the body, which is okay, I guess. But yeah, so this is 2.0 now. Okay, now here is my modified 1.0. Okay, so this is my 1.0 modified, and this is Hot Toys 2.0. Okay, I am trying hard to control my laughter, but you can clearly see. I will say the suit, the quality is not perfect, because this is outdated. The suit is old. I have modified it as well, so the quality is of course better on the newer version. I mean the suit quality and the web effect and everything, and the muscle shading of course is quite quite an upgrade on the newer one. But my modified 1.0 has custom islands, as you can see. Custom islands, all hand painted. Okay, body is modified. The ankle joints, there was a huge problem on this figure with the ankle joint. All of them even came broken out of the box, so I fixed my ankle joints. Okay, they are not movable. Okay, because I had to glue them in place. Okay, but he is now still able to stand, as you can see, so it still works. This is 2.0 versus modified 1.0. Okay, now this is my modified red and blue suit with custom islands as well. This is my personal copy. Okay, so here it is. Okay, and then this is my damaged version. Okay, this one actually originally modified by artist named Hawaji Customs on Instagram. I will show his profile on this side. But when I received it, it was great. Everything was on point. It was quite nice, but he didn't do any modifications on the body itself. Okay, so when I was displaying his version with my modified, as you know, the height is increased on this, and there is like of course there's tons of like body mods. So when I was displaying his version with next to this, they didn't look like same characters, because you know, modified version, it didn't have any body mods, the height was shorter, so it looked out of place. So I had to open the stitching, everything, redo the body, all the mods, okay. And then what I did was I painted the body flesh color under the suit, so even if I pose it, okay, even if I pose, if you move, there is still flesh color underneath, so you won't see the black color body, okay, because the body is fully modded and fully painted underneath, as you can see, okay. So, and of course when you mod the body and repaint the body flesh color, I had to redo the damage work and blood effect as well. So this is basically redone by me, okay. The head is still his work, for the most part. I did the sweat effect, as you can see, the sweat effect I did myself, he didn't include that, and I had to reshape the head a bit to make it rounder. His version was quite you know, longer head. So yeah, this is my damage Toby with the same height as my this mode and this mode. So now these three are same height, okay, and same body proportions and everything for the most part. And then this is the Hot Toys 2.0 version. This is like clear comparison for you, right? How Hot Toys could have made this figure, okay. It's not that hard. If one person can do all of this, I'm sure Hot Toys could have done better job than this. But my 2.0's black suit mod is coming soon, okay. I'm working on it. Even when the figure wasn't delivered to me, I have prepared everything for it already. I have selected the colors, I have made the custom islands as well, so they are basically done and ready to go. So yeah, my mod I will be revealing soon on Instagram. I will show my profile on the screen now if you want to follow. This is my custom this is standard Thunder Toys alien host, but with the custom head. This is by artist name Tattoo Fett. I will put his Instagram profile here if you want to order with him. Very nice and beautiful work. So screen accurate Venom. I don't know how I'm gonna fit everything into the frame now, but yeah, okay, here we go. Let's move these a bit here. Yeah, so this is my some of my figure, not all of them, but some of them. Okay, so this is the body that I have prepared. Like, it's like a kit bash order from AliExpress. As you may know, if you have seen my Instagram, I have made like a, you know, Bully Maguire head with the smile. It's currently with the painter, getting painted. It'll be revealed soon, but currently since the Bully Maguire head is here, I'm gonna display this head on this body. Let's try that out. Yeah, so as you can see, the neck needs to be adjusted a little bit, right? The neck seems short, but other than that, it works quite well. You know, it looks quite good. I have pre-ordered the Topo set as well. It's currently on pre-order on 1/6 kit. So yeah, I'll be getting that when it releases, but for now it does look quite good. If I just get the neck, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, if I push the suit down, maybe, but yeah, it still looks quite good. So yeah, man, as you can see, the comparison modded version with the stock Hot Toys 2.0. Of course, after modding this, the result will be better than the 1.0 because the body is more durable, more posable. The suit is more accurate, the suit quality is better, the muscle shading on it is better, you know. So all things considered, the mod after modding this 2.0 will be better than this one. But just to show you the difference, currently is night and day. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts, you just please let me know down in the comments below, and thank you for watching.